Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a refrigerator magnet so you can show off your kids' work at home. This is what we do. We are going to get a stamp. We're going to get some bingo marker paint. We're going to apply it to the stamp. Then we're going to stamp it on a piece of paper. Make sure it's nice and set. Then you're going to cut around it. So you can see it came out kind of light. You'd probably want to add a lot more ink on it before you stamp it down. And if you didn't like how it came on the front side of it, you could always redo it on the back. Once you have that, I recommend that you fold it at the body or the butterfly. You'll put a couple of dots of glue there on the back of it, and you'll pick one of these facing down and you put it on top. The last thing you'll want to do is before that, and you can pick a word like awesome, because your kids' work is awesome. Put it on your butterfly magnet. And the last thing you'll do is you'll apply a drop of glue to your magnet and put it on. Now this is not going to set right away, so you'll have to put it in a baggie and take it home and let it dry. Take a baggie, put it in there and let it dry. At the end, you'll get a butterfly magnet where you can hang your kids' work.